Why do you never look at the camera? Eh? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have used an old t-shirt to create a bandana for my dog Harry. So let's get into it. I found a pattern from a blog called Spoonflower to help me make this. It was so easy to use. I have left the link to this pattern and the blog in the description below. First, I cut along the side seams and the neckline to have one piece of fabric. I then measured Harry's collar to work out what size pattern I needed to follow. The collar was 16 inches and I divided this by 2, as stated on the blog, to have 8 inches. This meant I needed to follow the small sized template. I then folded my fabric in half and placed the longest edge of the template on the folded edge of my fabric. I pinned this in place and cut around the template. You'll have something like this. Next, I folded the top edge over 1/4 inch and then 1/4 inch again to create a folded hem and pin this in place. I repeated this all the way around the bandana. Once it was pinned in place, I then sewed where I'd pinned. I then needed to make a casing for the collar to go through. I placed the collar onto the bandana and folded the top edge over so the collar would have enough room to slide through the casing. I pinned this in place and sewed where I pinned. I then ironed the bandana to make sure everything was sitting flat and fed the collar through the casing I'd created. The bandana was now complete and this is how it looked. This is such a quick and easy project that is perfect for anyone wanting to give their dog an individual look. I was really happy with how this turned out and I think Harry was too. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.